Salam everyone. Yeah, hi. Welcome to the first episode of Toca's unboxing. Today I've got a really special one for you. It's a A4 Tech bloody keyboard, B418 to be exact. Now I'll be unboxing it with a very cool knife. It's called Toca. Yeah, Toca. Now I really hope this goes expeditiously, which means efficiently or quickly, or I may end up losing all my fingers and nobody wants to see that. Moving on, firstly I removed the tapes on the front end with the help of my Toca. Now I know I'm saying Toca again and again, but I really like this cool knife. And as you can see, I have never used this knife before. Let's check those knife skills, yeah? We are in. No, we are not. We got tapes on the other side. Let's quickly remove them with the help of Toca again. Do bear with me. So we are finally in. And in the standard cardboard packaging, we got a keyboard and another box in a card box. So let's uncover this keyboard fast. Now again with the help of this Toca, do bear with me, I really like this cool knife and my channel is named after this knife, Toca. So with the help of our Toca, we have finally unboxed our keyboard. Now the keyboard itself, stainless chassis, is looking fine. I will set that aside for a second and get rid of those chunks or yeah, whatever. We'll be unboxing that in a second, and there's not so important stuff. We'll be getting rid of it. So let's see what's inside the box. So inside the box we got ourselves a wrist rest. Yes, I hope this is premium quality. Now this is a comfy rubbery wrist rest. This might not be the premium quality, but they say it bad. Now I've fit that into the keyboard, and now the keyboard is looking great. Now the mechanical keys are feeling great as well, and that spacebar, that the tick noise coming out from the spacebar looks great. Let's boot it up. And we got ourselves an RGB cool keyboard. Now those RGB patterns are looking great, and you get 3 patterns with this RGB. Now there is a driver that you can find on the bloody official page, official site, and you can set those name preferences according to your own choice. Yeah. So there you go, you got an unboxing of a keyboard. I hope you really like this video, and if you do like this video, do subscribe to my channel so I can bring more videos like this. And I would love to hear your opinion. Do hit the comment section. So yeah, have a nice day. Until next time, peace. Allah Hafiz and bye.